Traveling alone doesn't have to mean being lonely. Waking up in the morning with a wagging tail by your side is already more than enough. To make the road feel safe and comfortable, this van was custom built. The RoRo boat, designed especially for solo female travelers and their pets. It's not just a vehicle, it's a home we can take with us anywhere. So come along with us and step into this one-of-a-kind little haven. The RoRo boat is built on a Ford Transit 148 wheelbase. The entire design is focused on one clear goal: to create a safe and comfortable travel space for a woman and her dog. Open the sliding door and the first thing you notice is the full-height partition wall. It separates the cab from the living space, giving privacy and making the rear feel like its own small home. The wall also has a locking door, so when the owner steps out, her dog can stay safely in the back without running into the driver's area. For extra peace of mind, the van is equipped with a 360-degree CCTV monitoring system. Whether parked on a city street or in a remote campsite, the outside can always be checked in real time. Hanging on the partition wall is a special custom neon sign with the van's name, RoRo Boat. It was made by Lamomonion, a brand known for fully customizable neon lights. Whether it's a name, a logo, or any size you want, they can create it, with multiple power options for use in a van or at home. The living space of the RoRo boat is organized into 3 core zones. First, the dinette. It's a comfortable seating area paired with a login table that works as a desk for work or a dining table. When in sleep mode, just a few simple steps convert the dinette into a spacious double bed. Underneath, a chamfered step makes it easy for the dog to climb up without help. Next, the kitchen. A tall cabinet and 3 drawers keep everything neatly organized. The oven, fridge, and sink are laid out for easy daily use. The sink comes with a cover that doubles as a cutting board and extra counter space. The kitchen window has both a blackout shade and a screen, so cooking is well lit, ventilated, and free of insects. Finally, the hidden bathroom. Built into the bench cabinet, it hides both a shower and a toilet. When needed, the toilet can be pulled into the center aisle, and with the shower curtain raised, it becomes a shower space. When not in use, everything tucks away, keeping the space clear. Even better, the bench can double as a small work or dining spot. The lagoon table can be mounted here as well, so the rear bed can stay set up permanently, while the front still offers a practical table space. That flexibility makes daily life much easier. You can rest and still have a place to work or eat without constant setup. Overhead cabinets line both sides of the ceiling, all with push-to-open latches. Even the bottom surfaces are finished to match the rest of the cabinetry, keeping the entire look clean and refined. In a van this compact, fitting in a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom so seamlessly is exactly what makes the RoRo boat so impressive. The RoRo boat was designed not just for the owner, but also for her closest travel companion, her dog. By the sliding door, a fold-down bowl station creates a tidy dining spot. During mealtime, it's ready to use, and when finished, it folds flat against the wall. Under the bed, the chamfered step and a small bench by the entrance let the dog climb up on its own. The side step below the door makes getting in and out steady and safe. The aisle and bench layout also leave extra floor space for the dog to move, lie down, and find its own cozy corner. This isn't only the owner's home, it's truly the dog's home as well. The RoRo boat takes inspiration from Alvar Aalto's mid-century modern style. Inside, warm cherry wood combines with bright blue accents, keeping the natural, original feel while adding a touch of playfulness. The look avoids trends or fads. Instead, it aims for a timeless classic, warm, enduring, and full of character. Lighting brings this style to life in everyday scenes. In the kitchen, recessed lights under the overhead cabinets make every movement while cooking easy and clear. A round wall lamp and soft floor lights create a calm, relaxing atmosphere for reading or resting at night. Ambient light strips blend with the natural daylight during the day, making the van feel like a warm, inviting home. This design doesn't chase trends. It uses materials, colors, and light to create a stable, welcoming space. A space that feels timeless and built to stay with you for years to come. True freedom in van life depends on a reliable power and water system. The RoRo boat comes with a 5 kilowatt-hour EcoFlow battery, 300 watts of solar, a 30-gallon fresh water tank, and a 22-gallon gray tank mounted underneath. For weekend getaways, this is more than enough. For long-term van life or cross-country travel, we recommend upgrading to a 10 kilowatt-hour battery for even more comfort. For winter, extremely cold weather, there's also a 7-gallon indoor gray tank to prevent freezing. The water system includes a built-in filter, so water from the tank can be safely used for drinking and cooking. And for daily convenience, a countertop purifier like the Von water system is also a great addition. It not only filters water, but can instantly heat it, letting you make tea or coffee anytime. It completely replaces the need for a traditional kettle, making it practical both at home and on the road. All electrical and water controls are centralized on the main control panel, making them easy to manage. Outlets are placed in the kitchen, by the bench, and in the rear, perfect for charging a laptop, cooking appliances, or plugging in gear outside. At the back, an exterior spray hose makes it simple to wash outdoor equipment or rinse down the dog after a day of play. With all of these systems, the RoRo boat is ready for any trip, anytime. Just like we said at the beginning, traveling alone doesn't have to mean being lonely. With the dog quietly keeping company in the passenger seat and the RoRo boat as a home behind me, I have everything I need. There's no rush, no fixed destination, just living and just moving forward together. The RoRo boat is more than a van. It carries the most simple, yet most precious thing of all, the bond between a person and the pet.